A female scientist was preparing to study a new virus when she suddenly discovered a tear in her protective suit. Panicked, she quickly set down the virus sample, immediately triggered the laboratory alarm, and rushed to the decontamination room for emergency treatment. What she didn't know was that this virus was one of the most contagious and deadly pathogens in the world. Once infected, survival was nearly impossible. To prevent the infection from spreading, after completing decontamination, the scientist hurriedly removed her protective suit. To her horror, she discovered suspicious blood traces on the inside of her protective gloves. She immediately rinsed thoroughly with disinfectant, but feared the virus might have already penetrated her skin. Recognizing the danger, she promptly locked herself in an isolation chamber and notified the research director about the emergency situation. However, the director dismissed her concerns as an overreaction and left before she could fully explain the situation. Left with no choice and determined to prevent viral spread, she called a colleague for help. After hearing her description, the colleague's expression instantly turned grave. To verify the situation, the colleague immediately drove to the laboratory. Meanwhile, after 48 hours of strict quarantine, the scientist was finally cleared to end her isolation. Yet, to identify the true nature of the virus, she risked returning to the lab once more. Through extensive research, the scientist discovered this was a mutated Ebola strain with unprecedented contagiousness.